I've decided to vlog because मैं तभी vlog करती हूँ जब मैं कुछ shopping करने जा रही होती हूँ. So yeah. Today I've been decided किया है that I'm gonna go buy myself an iPad because you know I've always wanted to be an iPad kid. It's just I always thought iPad was a waste of money, and it still is in my opinion a waste of money. But I still want to go for it because I anyway waste a lot of money. So I was like, why the fuck not? Why just not? Why I should just like eyeball at this point. And I entered this new gym. Okay, my new gym is so nice. सब बड़े बड़े celebrities आते हैं वहाँ पे. I met current actor the other day. He hugged me 3 times. Okay, he said that I was cute. This is all the validation I need in my life. ठीक है, if a guy doesn't find me cute, I don't care. Current actor said that I'm cute. That means I'm cute. मेरी बहन ने बताया मेरे को अभी डिस्मॉर्फिया हो गया है थोड़ा सा मेरे फेस को लेकर. बिकॉज कल उसने मुझे बोला कि मेरे आई बैग्स उसके आई बैग्स जैसे सेम दिखने लग गए हैं एट द एज ऑफ 18. एंड सो yesterday I slept at 1:30 anyhow. I was like no, I have to sleep जल्दी on because इसने ऐसा बोल दिया है that my eye bags look the same like hers. I got myself Starbucks because हम लोग पहले iPad लेने जा. Vicky Kaushal also comes to our gym, okay, and I've seen him, but you know I don't know, I never approached him because I don't know, he looks like someone, I don't know how he is personally, I have no one to judge, but he looks like someone who doesn't want to be disturbed. So I was like, no, never mind, he's too big. Okay besties, do you also feel that most of the BB creams in the market conceals your dark spots and blemishes to give an even skin tone temporarily? I'm here to help you out with the Dermaco's with the Dermaco's 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream with SPF 30. I have it on currently on my skin. And as you guys can tell, it is the perfect blend of makeup and skincare because my skin is looking flawless, no blemishes, and the makeup is makeuping. What I love about this BB cream is that it not only just like conceals your skin, it also helps in healing acne spots with the 2% niacinamide in it. And because of this, your skin, and with the dream team of hyaluronic acid, your skin gets the necessary hydration required for it. And the best part is now it comes in 3 more shades more suitable for the Indian skin tone. The Dermaco has empowered 10,000 plus students across the year with their Young Scientist initiative. Every time you purchase from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. And besties, all the new products by Dermaco are fragrance free. And because I am your best bestie, you guys can use my coupon code to get additional discount. And yeah, अब हम जा रहे हैं iPad लेने. I'm on my way to become an iPad kid. And then I've said that doll can take my MacBook. It is so beautiful, the most beautiful MacBook ever. उसमें मैंने booty pics लगाए. Not booty pics, okay. It's a sticker, that peach वाला. It has Salman Khan. It has Akshay Kumar. Drive कर रहे हैं. तो हम 4 अभी बजे हैं 4-5. तो हम Apple Store 450 को पहुँचेंगे है ना आराम से. Your seat belt is so annoying. I know it's for safety. तुम लोग पहनो ठीक है, but you should wear seat belt. Okay, no, I take that back. I take my words back. Sorry, please don't cancel me. It's so loose to me, and एक तो मेरे बाल आज अच्छे straighten नहीं हुए. I'm having a bad day. उस दिन कौन सा अपन सैमसंग का ब्रांडिंग शूट कर रहे थे ना, I was having a whole ass mental breakdown because I was like मेरे बाल अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे, तेरे बाल मेरे से better दिख रहे हैं. At the gym also I was crying the other day. I cry a lot and you know I have makeup on ना, तो मैंने जब आंसू निकलते रहते हैं मैं ऐसा टिश्यू लगा के आंसुओं के साथ रोती हूँ because मेरे आंसू गिरे नहीं. It's like I don't cry about major things, like if someone will fight with me I won't cry about that, but I cry about things like if it's about me or something I will cry about that. डॉल भी बहुत रोती है. डॉल तो हर टॉपिक पे रो देती है. प्लीज तो शो देख के रोना means you have emotion. You are not a heartless person. Please. Okay guys, never ever sell feet pics for free. Here are my toes. What are those? आ गए हैं हम यूनिकॉर्न स्टोर. एप्पल रिव्यू. ओहो हो. Buying this one besties. ये खरीद रहे हैं. And this is the art I have made. Buying an iPad to make this. Slay. This is called art. 800 रुपये डिस्काउंट के लिए कोई स्टूडेंट आईडी लेने की जरूरत नहीं, खरीद लो। 800 में इसमें कलर्स नहीं मिलते यार, आई एम सो डिसअपॉइंटेड, आई डोंट हैव गुड कलर्स इन हियर, बट या आईपैड रेडी हो जाएगा कितना, 1 घंटे में, 1 घंटे में उसका आ जाएगा एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू गो गेट इट। अभी हम जिम जा रहे हैं बिकॉज या हमने पैसे डाल दिए हैं। ओ बाय द वे आई विल गो होम एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ दिस बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, एक्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, इज स्टॉकिंग मी एट दिस पॉइंट, मी एंड एडम क्रीपो। मैंने डॉल को बोला है कार्तिक आर्यन वाला जिम ज्वाइन करते हैं। हम यहाँ आते हैं ऑल द वे, हमारे घर से काफी दूर ही है हमारा ये वाला जिम भी। एटलीस्ट मुझे उससे तो मिलने हो जाएगा, उसको देख के तो मैं रो ही दूंगी। करंट एक्ट को देख के तो चल मेरे को क्यूट लगता है, आई लव हिम, बट मैं उससे इतना प्यार नहीं करती जितना मैं कार्तिक आर्यन से प्यार करती हूँ। इट्स लाइक अ लव, आई लव हिम। लुक दिस मैन इज, लेट्स गो, लेट्स वर्क आउट, लेट्स सैंपल न्यू बॉयज टुडे। मेरी मम्मी मुझे बोलती है कि तुम लड़कों को ताड़ने जाती हो क्या जिम? आई वाज लाइक व्हाट? लड़कों को ताड़ने वाला टॉपिक पे बोले ही नहीं कुछ तो अच्छा होगा। The fuck is wrong with you? Not tell me what to do. I'm not drunk talking. I just have a fun personality, doll. देखो, reaction energy is like drunk talking. मतलब she's so remove, bro. It's not remove. Don't push me. It's not removing. खींचना मत, मुझे मत खींच। It's not removing. It's not coming out. Shut up. हो जाता है slip of tongue. It's not coming out. It's not coming out. It's not coming out. मेरे Versace की glasses पहनी नहीं है, मैंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया से खरीदे थे। अगर तुमको नहीं पता तो जाओ मेरा शॉर्ट्स देख लो। But yeah, you know, Delhi decor is all about bling and wearing brands, and I love that. Okay. Just close my car doors for me.
I'm so beautiful.
Like I'm so beautiful. I'm such a girl boss. Like they know it. They know that a queen is here and she is here.
Take a shot every time Riddhi says girl boss.
अब तक में ना हम सब full blackout drunk हो जाएंगे if you all start taking the shot every time I say girl boss. See, that girl is looking at me. She wants to be me and she Guys, I'm being sarcastic, हाँ? ठीक है? Don't take it too seriously. देखो मैं बताती हूँ तुमको कैसे पता चलेगा मेरे लिप फिलर्स है नहीं थी जो मेरी लाइन, ये लिप फिलर्स वालों को नहीं होती है, तो डॉल को ये लाइंस नहीं है, मतलब she has gotten lip fillers done. I'm looking so bad. I need to get Botox done. See, if I do get Botox, I will tell you guys. So don't worry. I'm not gonna be like, oh, magically I'm tight. No lines coming. Done besties after 10 hours. Let's go. We have got ourselves our iPad. It's so beautiful, so cute. We finally got it. Now let's go home. I'm done with this trip. ये डाइसन कैसे यूज करते हैं? बाल ड्राई करने हैं। कल पता है गाइस, जिम में डॉल ran into current actor and he thought she was me. And I felt like so honored. किस बंदे को मेरी शक्ल याद थी। I'm just honored. Like I'm pretty hard to forget that. I'm just kidding, okay? Please. मैंने मेरा खाना फ्लो कर दिया। बस इतना डाइसन का मैंने खुद के बाल किए और पूरे स्वेटी हो गए because me and my sister were doing functional. और मैं इतनी सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ कि मैं लिटरली खुद को देख रही हूँ. I'm watching my old vlogs. I'm realizing I'm very funny. You know, other day I was thinking, what if Snapchat gets banned, YouTube gets banned in India? I will literally have no career in life because I suck at school. What will I do? Marry a rich man? That's the alternate plan. I'm kidding, okay? Don't take my words seriously. Don't marry a rich man, okay? Be the rich man yourself, okay? And I'll tell you guys this. King, you need to be a boss babe to attract a boss babe. See, for example, if you're a Mercedes, you will get someone with a Range Rover. And if you want with a Range Rover, you will get someone with a yacht. And if you want a yacht, you will get someone with a private jet. Bye. Please, मेरी advice कोई सुनना मत because I am generally the most whack person alive. I'm back from the gym. I've combed my hair and yeah, I'm like sitting and chilling. Is जो मेरी जो ex best friend है, oh my god, the amazing angel that walked into my life. Okay, the thing is, I have not said the entire truth about her in my previous video. So, today I've decided to just get the facts in for you guys, because this woman just doesn't seem to live my life, okay? And she will have the guts to go live and be like, I have forgotten about this drama, I have moved on. Joke of the day. Joke of the day. Whenever I'm speaking about something, trust me, I have all the receipts, I have everything, okay? Everyone told me to take legal action against her. Okay, I didn't. I did not even want to go down that road, because I think it's just a weird mess that I thought would be dragged onto another level. But this girl, okay, her fucking, it's good, at 18 I'm getting prepared for all this. I'm getting ready. So whenever life throws anything at me, I just sit like this. I'm like, okay, I'll deal with this. I'm strong. I can deal with this. Okay. So that time I was like, what the fuck? I get this call. They're like, yeah, case is being filed upon you, so that abetment case. Such a sensitive topic this girl is using, such a sensitive thing. She should not even fucking use it to falsely accuse and frame someone, okay? This woman made her account public when the entire drama was going on, okay? Made it, waited for all the hate comments to collect, okay? Collected it as proof, being like, oh, she's bullying me, this, that. On what grounds? Were girl, I never fucking even used your name. Just shut. You cannot win it. If you want to do a legal battle, get a fucking good lawyer who will teach you some law. फिर हमको ये कॉल आता है, उसमें बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ जी ये गई थी बीच पे attempt to dash करके. I'm not going to take that word because it can be sensitive. I have picture of this girl. Okay, she was on the beach. Okay, with her friend of hers. She was filming a fucking music video in which she posted on the beach in that same red dress. She's pretending that, oh, she was going to die, and obviously I had proof of that. Obviously, of course, it's like, you're messing with the wrong person. I had chats of her dad, okay, literally saying, I will handle Vriddhi, whatnot. Okay, she was going down the legal path, so obviously I got myself a good lawyer. I was like, see, this is happening, they are trying to falsely accuse me, they are trying to frame me for something that has not even happened. They are trying to take this. So first of all, my lawyer told me, don't worry, there is nothing wrong in this. You have never taken her name. This is nothing. This is internet. Everyone has the freedom to do everything. She is acting like a mad woman, and they are just trying to scare you. And yeah, he was like, so then he told me, you go make whatever, do whatever you want to. They have no legal grounds against you to do anything. You have chats of everything where her father is literally claiming that he will handle you. Okay, I have proof of everything. So then I made the second video. So this was all going on during that time when we still tried to talk to this girl. Okay, and you won't believe it. Okay, guys, listen to this. This girl goes to the lawyer alone, does everything alone. Her parents are not even there. She has gone with this friend of hers, okay, not her boyfriend. Her boyfriend was not involved in this. This girl, when my dad went to talk to her, and he was like, what are you doing बेटा, आप कर क्या रहे हो? तो ऐसे मेरे बाप से बात कर रही है, हाँ आपकी बेटी ने ना मेरे को ऐसा फील कराया. तो मेरे डैड ने बोला, मेरी बेटी के ऊपर इतने हिट आते, मेरी बेटी के ऊपर इतने वीडियोस बनते हैं, वो तो ये सब जाके फालतूगिरी नहीं करती किसी को फॉल्सली फ्रेम करने का. मैंने तो कोई मेरे को जो रोस्ट करता है उसको तो मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि ओ माय गॉड उसके कारण मेरा ये हो गया, मेरा वो हो गया, मैं उसको फॉल्सली अक्यूज करने तो नहीं चाहती हूँ. इतना होती है नाटक की. वहां पे हंस रही थी, है मन की एक थप्पड़ बजा दो इसके मुंह पे. तो ठीक है, मेरा तो मन करता है, ये तो एक्चुअल में धमकाने ले आती है मेरे बिल्डिंग के नीचे स्टारबक्स पे लोगों को. चलो, I had not spoken about this, so obviously internally I was very frustrated. To someone who gave you so much, you could have simply apologized to me. I didn't even want to make a video, anything in the first place. If she would have just fucking simply apologized, and so see, that day, since the past 4 days, I was seeing this girl down near my building. So I was with this, this friend of hers, whose name starts from S, okay, not her ex-boyfriend, by the way. Yeah, so this friend of hers, okay, whose name starts from S, and his girlfriend's name starts from A. Slay. So I was seeing these 3 clowns near my buildings, and I literally thought कि हाँ भाई चलो इतना बड़ा area है, I cannot be like this lunatic and be like, oh, they're following me or not. That day, this girl knew me for 8 months. She knew my routine. She knows how I function. Okay, she knows that I go to Starbucks at night to edit. The Starbucks that I live in, it's literally in my building, so she knows I go there to edit. I enter the Starbucks. I'm blind. I cannot see, okay, what's happening. So I was giving my order. I suddenly hear people laughing so loudly. I was like, okay, कोई random बच्चे बैठे होंगे, हंस रहे होंगे, अपना enjoy कर रहे होंगे. पास में चुप नहीं, Starbucks आप ऑर्डर देते, फिर आपको आगे जाके अपना ऑर्डर लेना होता है. वहां मैं खड़ी हूँ, okay, मैं अपना ऑर्डर ले रही हूँ, and I turn back and I look. I'm like, what the fuck. फिर ये तीनों, ठीक है, क्लाउन्स, बंदर, ठीक है, बैठकर लाउडली चिल्ला रहे हैं, आ गई, एक और वीडियो बनाएगी, हिम्मत है तो बना दे, मुंह तोड़ दूंगा इसका, आई फकिंग ब्रेक हर फेस. वो लड़का बोल रहा है. ये सडनली फोन किया 2 लोगों को, बोल रहा है किसी को तो फोन करके, लड़का इसके साथ जो था, कि आ स्टारबक्स पे आ, ये आ गई है यहाँ पे, स्टारबक्स पे आ, ये आ गई है यहाँ पे. आई डोंट नो, मेरे को उस टाइम ऐसा लगा बिकॉज मैं, इसका जो ये फ्रेंड है जिसका नाम एस से स्टार्ट होता है, वो इतना चीप बंदा है. ही इज लिटरली सो चीप. He was literally involved in this, like trying to falsely accuse me. He was like the fucking mastermind behind all this, stupid mastermind who has literally no mind. But yeah, he was the person who was trying to do all this along with his dumb fucking girlfriend. Oh, by the way, before anyone assumes, I'm not talking about Anaya Adam, okay? She is my cutie. I love her so much. She is best. I'm not talking about her. So I fucking got like scared as fuck, okay? Because उस टाइम मुझे ऐसा लगा मुझे कुछ होगा नहीं. मैं स्टारबक्स में लिटरली मेरे बिल्डिंग में गार्ड से कुछ होगा नहीं ऐसा मुझे उस टाइम भी. बट मुझे उस टाइम इतना डर लगा. सो आई इमीडिएटली वेंट होम. आई वाज लाइक, डॉल नीचे आ मेरे साथ. आई वाज लाइक, डॉल नीचे चल, ये बिल्डिंग में आ गई है, ये एक लड़के के साथ आई है और ये लोग किसी को बुला रहे हैं. पता नहीं, मुझे बहुत अनसेफ फील हो रहा है. पता चला ये लोग नीचे कभी आ जाए. तो मेरी बहन आई. मेरी बहन पहले जाके वहां के बरिस्टास को बोली, आप कैसे लोगों को सर्व कर रहे हो, ये वो. हम लोग ये हवा में बोल रहे, तो हम हवा में नहीं बोल सकते हैं मैडम. तो हम लोग बोलने लग गए ये सब कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, ये किया है इसने, ये फॉल्सली अक्यूज करती है लोगों को, इतना बड़ा टॉपिक को जोक के जैसे खेलती है. बीच पे जिस दिन रेड ड्रेस पहन के घूम रही होती है, उस दिन जाके दुनिया को बोलती है कि मैं मरने जा रही थी, ये वो इतने बड़े सेंसिटिव टॉपिक्स को ऐसे खेलती है. ये इसका ये जो फ्रेंड था, मेरी बहन को देख के इसके फ्रेंड की डर गई. ठीक है, जैसे इसके फ्रेंड ने देखा कि हम लोग इतने लोगों को बोल रहे हैं वहां पे, इसका फ्रेंड उठ के बाहर गया फोन पे किसी से बात करते हुए. ठीक है, ये मेरे सामने बैठी है, तो मैं और मेरी बहन भी इसके सामने वाली टेबल पे बैठे हैं. मेरे को इसका डर है. बेटा मैं वहां ना रोज आती हूँ. ठीक है, सुनो, तो ये मेरे बिल्डिंग के नीचे है. ठीक है, मुझे बाद में ये पता चला कि इसका जो ये फ्रेंड था, इसके एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड को फोन कर रहा था बोलते हुए, कम हियर दिस. तो इसके एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड में थैंक गॉड दिमाग था, तो इसने बोला, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व इन टू ऑल दिस इज रॉन्ग ऑन दिस स्नेक्स एंड. यहाँ पे आगे बैठी हुई है, ये सब कर रही है, किसी के घर के नीचे आ रही है, मतलब इसमें पास कुछ काम धंधा नहीं, इसको स्टॉक कर रही है उसकी. क्योंकि ये जो पहले मैंने फोटो ली थी जो उतरते के साथ, ये लो फोटो, ये वो स्नेक बैठी है, इतनी एम्बैरेसिंग है. मेरा हुडी पहन के बैठी है जो मैंने दिया है, H&M का ब्लैक हुडी. शी इज सो डम. शी इज पुलिंग अप टू हर एक्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. शी इज बीन स्टॉकिंग हर एक्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड, ओके, व्हिच इज लिटरली लाइक all together so weird. So तो मैंने इसके लिए पहले इसके अगेंस्ट कंप्लेन किया. I was like, what the fuck. Whenever guys, anything, guys like these or anyone is like stalking you, you feel unsafe, complain. Okay, so I obviously complained against them. I need to be feeling safe. I don't feel safe along with this bitch and this fucking friend of hers who literally looks at me like as if he's a criminal. He is a criminal. He always has drugs on him and whatever. He's just a cheapo, like someone who I would not even like look at. He's that level of cheap. Oops, I revealed too much again. It's okay, y'all deserve it. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके ना इसका एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड आया नहीं इसके फालतू स्टूपिड प्लान में, तो ऐसे चिल्लाते उड़ती है, दिस मैन कैन नेवर टेक अ स्टैंड फॉर मी. एंड आई एम लाइक, या, anyone will not take a stand for you because you are the wrong person. You are the fucking villain. You are falsely accusing someone now, and you have stooped down to a level of now stalking that person. Like, do you see what's wrong? And then 2 days later, my best friend Anaya Adam, okay, she pulls up to her building, okay, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग के गेट के बाहर, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग के गेट के बाहर खड़े होके मैडम फोटो डालती है with the caption face card. And तो उस टाइम obviously we were like, enough is enough. Now this girl is getting out of hand. This girl has gone mad. She is like literally stalking us. First me, then my best friend Adam, who is also her ex-best friend. She used Adam for good 3 years straight. And she used Adam way more than she used me. All the adults decided to text her father. That guy is such a delusional man, okay? He's saying, you have photoshopped this picture, she was not there. And we were like, बस हमें तो यही काम है ना कि photoshop करना. इसकी बेटी बार में भाई her father is so rude. Like any father, मेरे मम्मी डैडी को पता चला कि मैं ऐसी हरकत करूँ, मेरे को एक थप्पड़ मार दे कि how can you even stoop to such level. पता है मेरे पास एक इतना बड़ा अभी भी ट्रुथ बॉम्ब है इसके बारे में, इतने सारे जो मैं बोल नहीं रही हूँ, ठीक है, मैं बोल नहीं रही हूँ, because like I just think they're just so below the belt. Even though she's like falsely tried to accuse me for such a sensitive topic, where she was just roaming in a red dress, making reels on the beach. But yeah, but I still don't want to go to that. Her dad, like being a delusional man, he didn't believe us, okay? Whatever. It's like, इतना जो superior act करती है, be kind, be this, be that. भाई, क्या-क्या इसने हरकतें नहीं की हैं, ठीक? And yeah, besties, I wanted to give you all what's the tea in my life because you guys are my besties and I will tell you guys that. Why I'm saying this? Because, you know, people like this, they can act like they're better than you. They can, you know, try and be like, I don't do this. So don't ever, you know, let anyone walk over you. Take action against them, okay? And if someone is trying to ever falsely accuse you, you know, like, I'm honestly, every time, you know, things like these happen, I'm somewhere, you know, down the line grateful also to God because मैं बोलती हूँ अभी से सीखने मिलता है, हर इसमें मुझे समझ आता है कि हाँ ऐसे ओवरकम हो सकता है. क्या मैंने सोचा था कि मेरे को लॉयर हायर करना पड़ेगा at the age of 18? Fuck no, I did not fucking think I would have to get a girl as fucking lawyer, but I did. Okay, but yeah, besties, ये सब कर रहे थे, मुझे सबने बोला कि आप इसके अगेंस्ट फुली एक्शन ले सकते हो, आप ले सकते हो इसके अगेंस्ट एक्शन, but फिर you know, I think like I was like it's okay, you know, she stooped to a bad level. I'm never going to look at that girl's face because that is the level that she stooped to. I can never forgive her. What she did is unforgivable in my opinion. मैं तब भी उतना स्टूप नहीं हुई जिस लेवल पे इसने जाके मुझे बार बार ड्रैग किया, ड्रैग करती गई. अभी तक मैं हर चीज नहीं बोल रही because I just don't want to. और मैं कभी नहीं बोलूंगी, चाहे इस बात को और बकवास कर ले, कुछ भी कर ले. So I gave her the longest time, you know, freedom to do everything that she wanted, like, you know, just to leave me the fuck alone. But she decided to pull up to my building. She decided to again and again trigger, you know. She doesn't do it on like publicly, and like on social media she pretends to be kind. Motto pe jeeti hai ye, by foot be kind she is. But yeah, whatever. I love you. Bye. See you. I love you so much, my babies, my children. I love you.